ultimate observer, as the god Djehuty was just that. In the world, but not of the world. An observer of it all.
Hey, what happened?
Speaking about
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Invoking the god Djehuty. Djehuty or Thoth is a god of wisdom, knowledge, writing, thought. When you invoke the god Djehuty, you are giving yourself power to understand concepts and ideas that can be sometimes overwhelming. This energy stream helps you in becoming the ultimate understander. Once you gain the knowledge and wisdom on a particular subject matter, you have an understanding. You can actually do physical, spiritual work that leads you to an understanding. Everybody's understanding is going to be different. Everybody sees the world in a different light. That's why we say your truth is your truth. We are here to live in our truth and gain understanding from different spiritual sciences that our master teachers in the world alike have gained on their journey. As you invoke the god Djehuty, you start to just understand shit more. Remember, not public school teaching or training you to be a humanity slave, but knowing what you know within, an internal self-understanding that no one can shake.
Message!
Knowledge is limitless and forever. We are all master students, seeking our information to grow in our understanding. When Djehuty, Thoth, is invoked, you start to gain that mind power that will propel your spiritual journey to new heights and levels. Once you get to a certain level of understanding, you start to understand what other people's programming is and how they view and see the world. Whether conscious or not, you'll be able to see and hear what kind of set programming that lies within them. Reading and learning is great, but when you're interpreting the author's viewpoint and not taking their words as facts, that's when you've gotten to a level of observer, the ultimate observer, as the god Djehuty was just that. In the world, but not of the world. An observer of it all.
Hey, what happened?
Speaking about the all is the ability to create mentally, to imagine. The mind power of us being able to see our creation in our mind's eye first. The all creates mentally. One of Djehuty's quotes as powerful that you can find in the Kabbalion, but better yet, go get Wayne Chandler's book, is the all is mind, the universe is mental. Basically saying everything starts in the mind, and in order to control your universe, you must control your mind. Invoke the god Djehuty and power up your mind power for freedom from the mind control zombie set ways society wants to place on you. Dream wise.